Hello, welcome back. So we are on 1B. If you're joining us for the first time, this is a playlist of WASSCE past questions. We are solving past questions for elective mathematics for the year 2016. Paper 2. We solved question 1A in the previous video. Now we are on question 1B. Find the truth set of P delta 4 equals 9. Alright, let's get our workbook. So P delta 4 is equal to 9. So what they are basically saying is that P, some number P, and 4, if you were to apply this operator on them, you get 9. So find P, find the value or values of P. And yes, you can actually have more than one value, right? Okay. So from the question, we know that P delta Q, the definition of the operator is P squared minus 2PQ, right? Now, instead of Q, we have 4, which means P delta 4 is equal to P squared minus 2P times 4. Again, instead of Q, we have 4, so we just do this. Now, from this expression, they are saying this should give us 9, so this should be equal to 9. So P is what we don't know, and that's obviously what we're going to find. So this expression here, this guy here, 2 times 4 is 8. So we can rewrite this as P squared minus 8P equals 9. Now we can bring this guy in to get a quadratic expression, a quadratic equation. So this, why am I making mistakes? Oh, look at that. Just look at that. P squared minus 8P minus 9 is equal to 0. Alright. So now I hope you know how to factorize quadratic equations. If you don't, I will just briefly explain it now. So when you have something like this is a quadratic equation because one of the variables has a power of 2, and that's the maximum power the variable has in that particular expression. So that makes it quadratic. If it's 3, it becomes a cubic, and so on and so forth. Anyway, so first of all, you want to make sure the coefficient of the squared variable is 1, but it's already down here, so we don't need to worry about that. Next, you find two numbers that when multiplied give you minus 9, and when added together give you minus 8. And once you find that, you replace this with the two numbers, right? So now, of course, you can clearly see that minus 9 and 1 gives that, because minus 9 times 1 is equal to minus 9, and minus 9 plus 1 is equal to minus 8. So that is it. Let me just clean this up. So this gives P squared minus 9P plus 1P, which is just P, minus 9 is equal to 0. Remember, you only replace the middle part. You leave this guy alone. Don't touch him. Okay. So now we can group these guys and then clearly see that we can factorize P out of here. So when we take P out, we have P minus 9 in there plus P minus 9. Now you have to know that there is 1 here, but then it's really redundant to have to write it out again. This must be equal to 0. So this has been simplified to give P plus 1 times P minus 9 must be equal to 0. So from this, it's either this expression is equal to 0 or this expression is equal to 0. So if this expression is equal to 0, if this expression here is equal to 0, then p plus 1 is equal to 0, which implies p is equal to minus 1 by taking this guy here. But if p minus 9 is equal to 0, then p is equal to positive 9. Taking it across, you get 9. So you find that p can be equal to minus 1 or minus 9. Now, there's one thing you have to remember. The question said, find the truth set. Truth set. Truth set. So that means it is sorry. So that means it isn't. Oh, what is going on? Sorry about that, guys. Alright, that means it isn't acceptable to just write the answer is this or that. You have to write it out in a set. So the truth set is given by, or the truth set is, the truth set is p such that p is equal to minus 1 or 9. And that is your final answer. Okay, so this I'll end the video and then solve question 2 in the next video. If you like it, click the like button. If you don't like it, comment below. If you have questions, you can comment below, and then I'll see. In fact, even if I have to create another video to specifically answer your question, I will, promise. And subscribe to get the videos more directly. In any case, like, share, comment below. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.